And now, from the San Francisco Bay Area, Shaw Pirelli and the Shaw Pirelli Law Show, bringing you what matters most with over 50,000 watts of power.
Attorney Shaw Pirelli, and we're going to discuss about something urgent today. It's kind of a breaking news, although it's something that has been here for a while. Um, as we have mentioned before, and this article I have here is called "Don't Drink and Drive When You Are on H-1B Visa." So, don't drink and be on H-1B. Basically, what we're going to talk about today is prudential revocation, which is taking a really tough turn for many people who are in H-1B. For those who have been subject, I'm not going to go over the prudential revocation itself. I'll put a link what it is about. What basically it is, if you look at the guidance that was issued, I think a couple of months ago by the State Department, the department will bring to your attention policy implemented on November 5th, 2015, which requires consular officers to prudentially revoke, that is, without making a determination that the individual is inadmissible, non-immigrant visa of individuals arrested or convicted of driving under the influence or driver while intoxicated or similar arrests or convictions that occurred within the previous 5 years as detailed by the 9 FAM 403.11. This requirement doesn't apply when the arrest and conviction occurred prior to the date of the visa application and has already been assessed within the context of the visa application. Okay, so basically what they're using here is INA 212A1 A subsection 3 for a physical and mental disorder that they are associating with DUI, although it doesn't really follow the normal norm of DUI of the case of Leocal. What the State Department is doing, not the DHS, the State Department is taking that visa stamp from your passport. And the thing that I wanted to do this video today, although I have talked extensively about that, is we got a situation. It's only one case, by the way, where they also revoked the dependence visas. For example, an H4 visa or F2 visa, they're revoking that too, which is kind of unfair because the dependents are not really the one who are subjected to the DUI. But having said that, it is happening. So how do you deal with that? Well, we so far we think that since this is not really in the guidelines of the State Department, hopefully they will reverse that situation for dependents. As for those who are inside the United States, they're not taking away your status, by the way. For those who don't know, status is one thing, the stamp is another thing. Once you enter, you get your I-94. As long as that I-94 is not broken, it's fine. You can stay here. They will not instigate any action against you inside the United States. However, they will send you an email basically telling you that your stamp on your passport is revoked. So what do you do next? One of the options is, of course, to when you go outside, if you want to travel, you need to go and reassess yourself to get your visa stamp. And many people are able to reassess themselves through a doctor, and ultimately the doctor clear them and they will be able to get a new visa stamp. Having said that, there is a risk of also not getting it because it's happening pretty much on some cases where they're not able to get that stamp to come back. Remember, without a stamp on your passport, which we call the visa itself, that's you cannot travel. A plane will not let you even board the plane to come to the United States. So, and since now, for example, India, they're doing all the clearance in mostly Dubai. If you're going to Dubai, they will even block you. They might even block you. They will block you earlier than that, but otherwise they will block you in Dubai. So make sure that if you have a situation of a DUI, first of all, you don't travel. Number two, talk to a lawyer who understands what is prudential revocation. And so far, we have been doing a bunch of consultations on those. Although they are not direct solutions at this point, we can at least guide you what you should do next to prevent any kind of problems. So, and also make sure when you're taking a deal on the DUI with your criminal defense attorney that if it is possible to get you under a lesser offense. So those are kind of just a warning today. The warning is don't drink and drive while you are on H1B, but also a warning because it seems like dependents are being affected too, although we don't have a confirmation. It is a trend. It might have been a mistake in that specific case, but we just wanted to alert people on that. Good luck to all of you, and for those who need help with the immigration case, give us a call 510-742-5887. And if you need any other help on any other part of immigration, feel free to call us again. Anything again I'm telling you is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. Thank you.